Please stand up.
2005, the industry will be pussy whipped. It won't be easy.
Mommy look good, yeah, mommy look right. They like mommy with the cute face, can I get a date? Mommy got a cute shape, mommy make 'em wait. Poppy having trouble trying to keep up the pace. Mommy got the faith, I let my pussy be the bait. Mommy got the good shit, that really good shit. The type of chick you get with that really good shit. Mommy got the
Casey Anthony case is over. 15.
Le fini!
Done.
So happy it is over.
Like Nicki Minaj said, da-dun, da-dun.
Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun.
Lord, that case was so crazy. It was like a circus.
It was a fucking show meant for everybody but the people that are watching it.
First of all, mothers out there, your daughter's dead or missing, claims that she's missing. Is the first thing you're gonna do is run and get a tattoo and it says "My Beautiful Life"?
No! Or wait 31 fucking days to report it and hide it from your mom. Your mom's asking, where's my grandchild? Week 1. Where's my grandchild? Week 2. Where's my grandchild? Week 3. Where's my grandchild? Week 4. Oh, it's been missing for 31 days. I don't know where your grandchild's at. You fucking did something to that child.
Because usually minorities get tattoos that say "Rest in peace, Pookie and them," or "Rest in peace, my little homie Clay."
There's always a R.I.P. when someone dies.
This girl says, "My beautiful life after your daughter is missing."
That means she didn't like that kid from the jump.
No rest in peace,
No.
Tupac and Biggie. No. My beautiful life.
My beautiful life. She thought about herself and went out and partied and shit. That bitch did it.
Lied through her snaggly teeth.
Lied from A to Z and was called non-guilty. How does that happen? How does that happen?
Apparently it happened. But first of all, let's start with what she said about her father and her brother.
She threw her entire family under the bus, over the bus, in between the bus, paid for the bus ticket, and everything that has to do with the bus and the wheels go round and round.
I
And that
saw
bitch ran away with
the
it.
Partridge Family bus over that bitch. What else? What, the big yellow bus with Bette Midler? That cartoon. I saw the Cat bus, Omnibus,
The LA bus.
all the bus. She threw the bus on her family. First of all, she told everybody that her brother and her father molested her while she was asleep.
A fucking liar. Who the fuck is Nanny Zany? Who's Zany the nanny? Nanny the Zany? Who is this nanny?
Nanny Zany, whoever she was I think, Xanax. Xanax the nanny. And what she did was, I guess
Fucking feed her some Xanax, and that was the nanny that took care of the child that died.
it must have been taco night, dollar night at some local club on a Wednesday. And she was like, "Mom, I gotta be out in the club." And Mama was like, "Nah, you need to raise your kid, stay at home and watch your kid."
31 days. 31 days before she even fucking reported the shit. The bitch needs to fry.
But see, I think what she did was this. She wanted to go to a club. Mom was like, "No. You need to watch your kid because I'm tired of watching this damn kid all the time." So what she did was she popped pills in that baby's throat so she can pass out, go to sleep. She either used up chloroform, looked it up on the internet, and gave it to her child like some Dick Tracy character. Quiet, cop off.
Baby was out.
Knocked out, and then she didn't wake up. So then what she did was tied that girl up, put her in a plastic bag, a trash bag,
And threw her in a swamp.
put duct tape on her mouth to act like someone kidnapped this child. That's what went down.
Now, don't think that, oh, she's the mother, she won't do it. I know for a fact, y'all mothers out there with that NyQuil shit, happen to your child. Put your child to sleep enough, it's gonna end up in the same place.
Next thing.
So because you NyQuil your kids and they fall asleep, you think you can run out and do your shit? Be a fucking parent. Close your legs if you can have no kids and open them up if you want to. But take care of your kids. Don't feed them no drugs to put them to sleep because you'll be stuck in the same situation. NyQuil. You know what I'm talking about? You know who I'm talking to? Yes, I'm talking to you.
Called your ass out.
Ass needs to fry, and you will fry.
Because last
One
year,
way or another, someone's gonna fry your ass.
speaking of fry, last year there was an Asian girl named Kaylong Chung Lee or something like that who put her baby in the microwave, set it to popcorn for 5 minutes, and microwaved her child. And not once did you hear Nancy Grace speak about it. Why? Because this Asian girl wasn't cute, and the media was not paying attention to it.
Microwave
Her baby.
Microwave.
Like some burger sliders. Just threw that baby in
And she said she fell down. Who falls down and the baby flies into a microwave? Who does that? The bitch was not cute enough to have on TV like Casey Anthony.
Because they knew that they could make a story out of this girl. Because this cute little white girl who looked like she wouldn't do that to a child did it. And
But
they,
lied to 3 cops. Mom lied for her, threw her dad under the bus, and she's connected only because she was the closest thing to the clothes that was changed in, the last one with the child. So the bitch is guilty, but you know what? If you cut that dry, nobody makes money.
I mean, this so-called case, which I want to call it a reality show, was a freaking joke. I mean, on CNN, about 1 million tuned in to see the verdict. 1 million, okay? 1.2 million was watching on ABC News. You would expect this on like American Idol. This was about a little white girl who killed her daughter. Now, if this was Shaniqua Jackson, right?
Shaniqua Jackson,
Guadalupe Gutierrez,
her ass would have fried.
there would have been no show. Nancy Grace and that nappy ass hairdo she got on, you would have never seen Nancy Grace talked about that.
That bleached blonde whore biscuit.
Whore biscuit. That's what she is, and I'm gonna tell you, she's the jump off hoe. She's the one that started all this craziness for hyping this situation up.
She hyped it up so bad that it made no sense towards the end.
Y'all don't believe me? We're gonna roll this next clip. Roll 'em.
Tot mom Casey Anthony on trial for the murder of her 2-year-old little girl, Kelly. Tot mom now going after her brother and father relentlessly. For 31 days, she didn't report her daughter missing. Today, a complete shift in Tot mom's appearance and demeanor in court, laughing, smiling, joking. You're not going to get a fair verdict every single time you go to a jury. That is the reality. A little girl was murdered. She was thrown to the side of the road like trash and left to rot. Somewhere out there, the devil is dancing tonight.
Child abuse would be the felony that would get them to felony murder.
Please, I don't want to hear the legalities right now. I want to hear about the judge's theory that this child may have been placed alive in those trash bags.
Well, Nancy Grace was talking about this case day after night, night after day for 3 years straight, and made you believe that you were part of this case.
She made you feel sorry. She made you feel bad. She made you feel involved.
She made you think you popped that child out your coochie cooch. That's what she, yeah, where's the monkey at? Pop Juju, Pop Juju. That's Kaylee Anthony right there. Pop. She made you believe that was your child. And right there made you think, oh my God,
My baby.
my baby, my baby. No, that ain't your baby. Nancy Grace was worried about her ratings, not about that child. because she's a lawyer, she should know you need the correct evidence to accuse somebody of murder. Yes, she lied. Let me tell you, if you accuse me of murder and I probably did it, most likely I'm gonna lie about it, because that's just second nature. Fuck no, I didn't do it. Don't y'all watch Last 48? Oh, let me tell you the real truth after you get caught.
I told you the truth, but now I'm gonna tell you the truth. So what's the truth? The bitch lied. She is a neglectful mother that probably saw her child dead. She felt bad and didn't want to blame nobody, so she took that kid to the swamp and just tossed it in there with a butterfly sticker. And then she said, my dad touched me. Your dad did not touch you. And you know who's to blame?
Nancy Grace.
And the media hound.
And I'm not just gonna blame the media hounds. I'm gonna blame Twitter and all those people on Twitter, all those people on Facebook making pages. I'm gonna blame the people who made little Kaylee buttons and charged about $5.99 for a Kaylee button.
Fucking Kaylee button.
T-shirts. First of all, can we talk about the people who wanted to see the show fighting for a seat like it was The Price is Right?
I mean, these people were swinging at each other for a fucking seat.
Can we talk about the guy with the neck brace? This motherfucker had a neck brace fighting for a seat to see this show. A neck brace. What? Over the top. But what I need to ask you, Pirate, is what does Kaylee do? Not Kaylee, Kaylee did. But what does Casey do? Now, after they found her not guilty, I mean, what can she do?
What she's gonna do is change her face, change her hair, and suck dick.
Well, speaking of that, let me tell you, a porn company has offered her to do porn. Now, I figure she's a baby killer. She might as well be a baby swallower, if you know what I mean.
And you know what? That's gonna happen to her because no one's gonna give that baby killer a job. It didn't happen to Amy Fisher, and it's not gonna happen to Casey Anthony.
Well, Amy Fisher's on Celebrity Rehab, so that might happen to her. She might get a reality show. Would you guys tune in if she had a reality show?
No.
What she do? She should. She should do a reality show with the Octomom and call it Zanny the Nanny.
Daycare's extravaganza. Would you let Casey Anthony babysit your child? If you thought she was innocent, then you would. If you thought she didn't do it, then let her babysit your child. That kid's gonna end up dead. I'm just gonna say it. Throw it out there right now.
Also, I've heard, Fire, that there's a 30-year-old white male who was part of the jury who's asking or wanting to do interviews, and they're offering him 5-figure deals just to sit down and talk about the case.
So this is only the start of why it was a non-guilty verdict, because everyone around her is gonna make money. So these people knew that she was guilty, but said non-guilty because they knew they would get an interview and paid.
So
it has nothing to do with what she did.
So who all should take blame is media, poor biscuit Nancy Grace, and you, because you made her a celebrity. Because if you didn't know about this situation, she would have been tried just like anybody else on the street. Guilty.
Mommy look good, yeah, mommy look right. They like mommy with the cute face, can I get a date? Mommy got a cute shape, mommy make 'em wait. Poppy having trouble trying to keep up the pace. Mommy got the faith, I let my pussy be the bait.